Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock the power of sleep for a healthier heart. Now, my name is Coach Jim O'Connor from a website called wellnessword.com. It's your trusted body transformation advisor. It helps you look better, feel better, and to perform better in life. Now, if I ask you the question right now, what are the worst habits for your heart? You're probably going to say smoking, probably going to say eating processed foods, eating too much, sugar, stress. You're probably going to say those type of things, those type of habits. Well, guess what? The most neglected habit that nobody talks about and very few people know is sleep. Sleep is one of the habits that people are neglecting, and it does affect your health. As a matter of fact, there was a study published in the Journal of American Health Association, November of 2022. The study was comprised of 1,920 people that average age 69 years of age. 54% were female and 45% were male. And what it showed is that sleep disorders predicted future heart disease. Sleep duration, sleep efficiency, daytime sleepiness, it can predict future heart disease. Now, that is huge, and that's something that we really don't want. So what do we want to do? We do want to sleep better because it is important. As a matter of fact, the American Heart Association has 7 primary healthy heart habits that they listed like about a year ago. Well, guess what they just did? They just added an 8th to that list, and the 8th is quality sleep. An extended amount of sleep. That is really important for your entire body. And you're saying probably, why is that so important? 1/3 of the population in the United States gets less than 7 hours of quality sleep a night. Less than 7 hours of quality sleep a night. So why? What does that cause? Number 1, it increases your sympathetic nervous system activity in your body, which isn't good. Number 2, it increases your inflammation in your body. It increases oxidative stress in your body, and it also disrupts your metabolism by making you hungrier, or you're craving certain processed foods and sugar-based foods. So all of that can occur when you're not sleeping enough or getting proper quality or efficient sleep. So how do you change this behavior? If you're sleeping less than 7 hours a night, what do you need to do? First of all, you need to decide exactly what you are ready, willing, and able to do right now at this time. Are you able to go 10 minutes earlier to bed? Are you able to sleep 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, half an hour later? Is that something you can fit in your life? Start with something small. Start with a behavior that you think that you can do and you can be successful at, and change that. Maybe have a darker room. Maybe turn off your electronic device 15 minutes before bed, and eventually work to a half an hour before bed. Try to get more exercise throughout the day so you're tired. Come up with certain habits that can help you, but start with one at a time and focus on that. So don't do all or none, and more importantly, don't worry about it. If you're stressed out about not sleeping because you know it's going to affect your heart health, try to back down and focus on something you can control. One of the small things that I just discussed. So yes, sleep is important, and I want you to sleep more. I want you to get better quality of sleep because it can absolutely change your life. Now, if you like this video, and I know you do, click like, share the video with others, and also subscribe to Wellness Word TV for more cutting-edge videos just like this. Now, for taking the time to watch this video, I want to thank you. And what I have a special report for you on my website at wellnessword.com. It's called Fat Loss Forever, the top 7 ways to prime your brain into permanent fat loss. And by the way, sleep is in one of those 7. So once again, Fat Loss Forever, the top 7 ways to prime your brain into permanent fat loss. This is a 100% free report that I'm going to give you right now. All you need to do is click the link below, and I'll take you to my website, and you'll have access to this great cutting-edge report that can help you now and in the future. It helps you lose weight and keep weight off forever by tapping into the neurophysiology of weight loss. So once again, click the link below for the 100% free report. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and have a good night's sleep.